Departments across the state have talked about a rise in mental health calls over the years. As a result, some Midcoast agencies are adding a mental health liaison to their staff. The community mental health nonprofit Sweetser is partnering with departments in Brunswick, Bath, Topsom, and the Saginaw County Sheriff's Office. News Center Maine's Sam Olson shows us how this new position will help take a load off officers.
I've been in law enforcement coming on 34 years now, and the increase in mental health calls has just been astronomical over that time frame.
Brunswick Police Chief Scott Stewart says a good deal of his officer shifts are dealing with mental health calls, which inspired a new partnership with the local mental health nonprofit Sweetser to bring a mental health liaison on board.
It's sometimes a bit much to have one group do everything, so the liaison, I can direct folks toward the right resources.
Michael Maudlin is 1 month into his new job. Before coming here, he had prior experience as a police officer and as a social worker, which he says is the perfect blend to fill this new role.
Every call, every contact is different, and we have to customize our response to that individual situation.
Situations where Maudlin responds alongside an officer to alleviate some of their responsibility when they get sent to a mental health call.
It's one thing to tell someone, we need to get you some help, and it's another thing to tell someone, we have someone who is able to help you, and here he is.
Right now, Maudlin is the only Sweetser mental health liaison who works with these 4 law enforcement agencies.
It's helping people not feel stigmatized about mental health services, not feeling like they're doing something wrong when they need help.
Instead, talking with someone trained to handle their concerns. In Brunswick, Sam Olson, News Center, Maine.
Chief Stewart says they are staffing just one liaison to get the program off the ground. Brunswick PD and the Saginaw County Sheriff's Office have partnered to fund the new position using opioid settlement funds. The state of Maine is receiving more than $230 million from that suit over the next 2 decades.